Guys, I want to do a review on a 2021 Hydro Heretic. This is a Heretic single action OTF, and you recharge it by pulling it out. I just recently bought this knife right out of the box. It had two problems. Once, when you pushed the fire button, it wouldn't fire, and two, if it did fire, it wouldn't lock out. So check it out. See how it doesn't lock out? Okay, I sent it in for shipping, for warranty. They fixed it, and they sent it back in less than 2 days. Again, it has exactly the same problem. So this knife retails for $650, 650 bucks. Right off the bat, it has problems. Okay, doesn't lock out. Again, right out of the box, I got it, sent it in for warranty. Like almost a week later, I got it back. Still having the same exact problem. Okay, so I'm new to the knife Heretic brand. I don't never own any Heretics before. I own a lot of Microtechs, Benchmade. However, I don't own any Heretics. I bought two of their knives, the Jade handles. Actually three. I bought two of the Heretic Hydros, the copper and the Jade. The copper was right out of the box. The blade was coming out, and when you rubbed your hand on it, it would cut you. Okay, and then the Jade, it doesn't fire, and then when it does, okay, it doesn't lock out. Once I got it back from the warranty, when you push the button, it does fire now, but again, it doesn't lock out. See what I'm saying? Again, this is a brand new knife. Today was the first day I even carried it. Okay, so I got it from the factory for the warranty, even though it's a brand new knife. Not sure why it has to go to the factory. I mean, overall, it's a beautiful knife. I'm not dissing on it. It's a very, very gorgeous knife. However, you know, it's flawed. Okay, it's flawed. It doesn't lock out. It's like a toy knife. Okay, so is it worth the 650 bucks they're asking for? I don't think so. And I'm not trying to be mean to the company, but who wants to pay 650 bucks, wait 1 week to get it, and then realize it doesn't work, ship it back, pay money to get it shipped? You know, I had to pay for the paper printing, the boxes, etc. Okay, the Heretic themselves, they did a good job on the warranty in the sense of the customer service wise. I was pretty impressed by it. They sent me a 1-day shipping, and then they fixed it around in like 2 or 3 days, or 2 days, I should say, to be exact, or maybe 1 day, somewhere between 1 and 2 days. They fixed it and they shipped it over. So it was very fast. Okay, I was very impressed by that. And the guy that I dealt with, the sales manager, he was very friendly and courteous. So, you know, I really appreciated that part of it. Okay, but the craftsmanship, I mean, I just got my knife back. It hasn't even been 24 hours since I got it back from the warranty department. And again, for the first 50 to 65 ejections, it worked perfectly. But now it doesn't work anymore. It fires, doesn't lock out. Like, I would say 80–90% of the time, it doesn't lock out. See? Okay. So this is the Heretic Hydra Jade version. They have the basic one that's $420. This is $650. The brass one was $750. It's beautiful. I like the way it's curved. It's really smooth on the hand. One other bad part about this is that on this side, if you're holding it this way, it does dig into your hand. It does cause a hot. But if you're holding it this way, where the belt clip is in the other hand, then it feels really, really good. I mean, it's a beautiful knife. You know, this is my first time owning a Heretic. I did buy another Heretic. You know, this one I haven't had any problems with it. You know, it's been straight. However, this one on the left, the Hydro, it's been nothing but a headache since I got it, and I'm gonna have to ship it back again. This will be the second time, and again, since I had it, you know, I ordered it. It's been like 3 weeks. I've only had it in my hand for 24 hours that I could actually use it, because it only worked 24 hours. Right out of the box, it was jacked up. Okay, so Heretic, kind of disappointing. Heretic, especially because you're charging me so much for this knife. I mean, I understand if it was a $200 knife made in China, but this is a $650 knife made in America, and you can see that it's pretty limited. Okay, you can see it right there. It doesn't lock out. You know what I mean? It's just a joke. It's like a joke. It's like a toy. What I mean is a joke. It's like a joking knife. You know, it's like you pull it out and you can try to stab something, but it's just gonna retract. Okay. So could I recommend Heretic? At this current time, I couldn't. Their warranty department was awesome. Was one of the best ones. Right underneath Benchmade. Okay. They were fast. They were responsive. The service part, but customer service part, but the actual service craftsmanship of it, I mean, I guess it fixed the problem for like 24 hours, but it didn't solve my problem. Okay. Anyways, guys, I just want to let you guys know if you're thinking about buying a knife like this, I just want to let you guys see my problem so you can make your own decision if this is worth for it. Disclaimer is I bought this with my own money. This is not a sponsor. This is not a knife dealer lend me to do a review. This is not like a knife circle, but you know, these guys on YouTube get these knives from these companies and they do raving reviews. This is the actual owner that forked over $650 for it. Okay. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Click the like button, support this channel. Leave me your thoughts and comments below. I like to read all of it. Peace.